Start.
Good morning, Professor. My name is Akanksha Govindani, and I'm here today with my friend Sanidhya Bajaj. We are here to present our business intelligence and business analytics project on Ryanair. So, as a BI and BA consultant, our goal was to address Ryanair's operational inefficiencies, especially the flight delays, the declining customer satisfaction score, and the pricing and revenue issues that Ryanair is currently facing. We are resolving these issues. We are improving these issues using the Salesforce CRM and Power BI dashboards to take data informed decisions and making business transformation. So the background and business goal review is such that as we know that Ryanair is Europe's largest low cost airline which has built its reputation on affordability and extensive connectivity. However, the company is facing significant challenges. The first challenge is Ryanair is facing around 67% delay, which is leading to average 46-minute delay per flight. Customer satisfaction score is has been really reducing since the time period, and it is not even matching the industry score. So the current customer rating for Ryanair is 4.7 out of 10, which is very a low score. Then again, coming to the third issue that Ryanair is facing is Ryanair's competitive pricing. So Ryanair load factor is 47%. That means there is still more room for optimization of Ryanair's pricing revenue structure, and we are comparing the Ryanair's pricing with the most popular airline over here, that is EasyJet. Moving ahead for the business goals, we are improving here in this project. We're improving the customer sentiment and scores, the customer reviews, the loyalty that they have towards Ryanair's. The second point that we are improving over here is reducing operational inefficiencies and especially the delays. The third thing is we are optimizing the price point and we are increasing the customer retention by optimizing the price over here.
So, going forward for the SWOT and gap analysis, first discussing SWOT. So, the strengths: broad European network, strong brand, and cost leadership. Talking about weakness, it has poor customer service ratings, high delay rates, and a static pricing model. Opportunities: implementing Salesforce CRM for better customer engagement, leveraging Power BI analytics to identify profitable routes and optimize schedules. Threats: rising operational cost, intense competition, and regulatory changes. Talking about the gap analysis, there is a clear gap between Ryanair's operational performance and customer expectations. Our strategy targets this gap by integrating advanced analytics and customer centric process. Now, talking about the system design, our solution integrates Salesforce CRM, that is for managing customer feedback, automating communications, and tracking service recovery. For Power BI dashboards for real-time visualizations of operational customer and financial KPIs. Now, going forward with the data flow, the data is mocked from Mocaro and then it is cleaned and EDA has been performed on it and it has been stored in Postgres SQL. CRM is connected to Postgres SQL, then CRM's data is fed in Power BI, enabling real-time updates, insights. This setup ensures seamless data flow and actionable intelligence across the organization.
Now moving ahead with CRM, we have loaded our flight data to CRM object manager. Then we have created the leads over here. As we can see the origin and destination of the flight details. Then moving ahead, we have also created a flow diagram over here, the workflow which we have created. So as soon as customer will send a negative feedback to our database will trigger this workflow that will send an apology mail to the customer and address the query of that customer or customer is facing or any issue if that customer is facing. And in the terms of flight delay, we are also triggering a workflow. We can just run this trigger over here, and since if there is any flight delay, an automatic mail will be triggered to the customer, informing about the time, that how much time the flight is getting delayed for. And also we are sending extra vouchers for customers, and so that they can utilize those vouchers for their next flight with Ryanair. This is our customer CRM workflow that we have created. Moving ahead with our dashboard, We have created three dashboards. First is customer satisfaction dashboard over here. The customer satisfaction dashboard is displaying four visuals, which is displaying the average customer rating per month. So we have splitted our data, before data from January to June, and after data from July to December. Basically, the first 6 months we can see the customer rating has been kind of declining and increasing. It's been fluctuating over the 6 months, and the overall customer rating over here we can see is 4.7 out of 10, which is very a low rating for a great company such as Ryanair. And in the third graph, we can see the customer who are recommending Ryanair again are just 40%. And customer who are not recommending Ryanair, who are saying no to Ryanair, are 60%. So moving ahead, these are the customer comment counts with respective to if they love the air experience or if they have any negative experience. Moving ahead, in the in our analysis, we have improved the customer sentiment score from 4.7 to 8.1 by just proactively reaching out to customer and just accessing their issues that they are facing. And we have increased the customer sentiment score. We have increased the percentage of customer who are recommending Ryanair, so it has been increased 20%. Previously, 40% customers was recommending. Now 57 percent customers are recommending Ryanair. And we can also see the average monthly rating is also getting increased from July till December. For the next scenario that we are addressing is the flight delay issue that Ryanair is facing. The average flight delay Ryanair is facing is 46 minute flight delay per flight. That is 67% flight delay percentage. And here in the first graph, we can see I've created a funnel chart which is showing delay depending on different aircrafts that we have. Here in the third graph, we can see the major reasons for the flight delay. Technical issues being the first reason and first major reason, and the staffing issue became the second major reason for the delays. The last graph we are here, it shows the delay depending upon the origin. And in the flight delay after part, we can see that we have reduced the delay average delay minute from 46 to 20%. We have reduced the technical issues here. And then moving ahead for the third issue that we're addressing for revenue and pricing dashboard, here we can see the average price by our competitor is 80 euros, and for Ryanair the average price is a bit 20% higher, which is 100 euros approx. And you can see in this line chart as well, the Ryanair price is high, going higher in the first 6 months, which is reducing the customer retention over here. But as a BI and BA analyst, we are trying to match up the price with with the strongest competitor, that is EasyJet. So we have somehow we have matched the price here. And in the later 6 months, we can see from July to December that overall pricing is already nearly matched with the EasyJet price, which helped us to gain 15% of more customer on Ryanair's value.
Now, talking about the challenges we faced, the major challenge we faced in our projects. So, a major challenge we encountered was designing dashboards that were truly useful for a diverse range of users, from data analysis to senior management. It wasn't enough to just display metrics, the visuals had to be intuitive and tell a clear story. We experimented with various chart types like funnel charts for delay reasons, pie charts for customer sentiment, and maps for geographic analysis. Balancing detail with simplicity was harder than expected, especially when trying to avoid information overload. This experience highlighted how important it is to design BI dashboards with the end user in mind, not just the data. Hope for future work. So the future enhancement in the project could be integrating external travel APIs and social media sentiment analysis. Also exploring predictive analysis with Salesforce. Going forward with the conclusion, our BI and CRM solution has transformed Ryanair's approach from reactive to proactive management by leveraging real-time analytics and customer-centric workflows. Ryanair can now increase customer loyalty, reduce delays, optimize pricing, strengthen its competitive position in European airline market. Thank you.
Thank you.